Alright guys, here we go. Finished product. Let me zoom out here a little bit. Alright, so a couple of tricks before you install these side skirts. What I do is assemble them all together. All you do is take the really short screws and screw them in right here where they meet. And then I take my tape measure out there on the side of the car and measure how long it is. And then just mark your deal here. And then take you like a carpenter's square or a triangle, one of these. That way you can get kind of a straight line. Just lay it here like this. Draw it out. And then just cut those links off. So I'll disassemble it right here. So I'll just deal with this short piece. And then I'll just cut these off. And then what I do next is I kind of see how far I need to go to start the screws. And I start all the screws out here on the table before I try to start it on the car. And it kind of helps. Alright guys, so on this thing here, it comes with these little small flat brackets, as you can see right in here. So I basically just lay all these out kind of where they got these little dots, and then of course these go across the middle like that. And I pre-drill them before I put them up there. Just make sure that you drill the right side that you need to, because if you drill the opposite side, you're going to have holes all through your thing when you go to stick it over there. So I'm just going to put some screws in on this thing here, and we'll get going. Some double-sided tape here just for some extra. Other than that, I basically just slap them up on the car, and I use this. It's a 90-degree bit you can put on here and see. That way you don't have to really lift up the car. So that's how we roll with this one. Alright guys, here we go. Finished product. Let me zoom out here a little bit. Little side pieces on. Might have to trim those a little bit more. It almost looks like it's hovering on a thing of blue.